guys, this episode we're going to be talking about how to keep track of online users in your application using Actioncable so that you can see their statuses in real time. So last episode we talked about a very rudimentary version of this where we keep track of a timestamp of the last request that a user made so that we can see users who have made a request or interacted with your Rails app within the last 15 minutes or so. So you can set that timestamp every request they make, and in theory it's close enough for a lot of applications. Now, if you want, you can be more accurate and use Actioncable for this and keep track of the users who are actually connected with WebSockets. So that will be much more accurate and will update things in real time. So that's what we're going to do in this episode. So we're going to replace the implementation that we had before with the database timestamp with Actioncable. So first things first, we need to generate a channel for this, and we are going to generate one called online. And this channel is going to be how we connect our users to Actioncable. So inside of our channels folder, we'll have an online channel, and inside subscribed and unsubscribed, that's where we're going to keep track of which user is now active. And then inside of connection, I want to point out here that we've already got this set up using Jumpstart to verify the current user with Warden and Devise.